You're welcome. Here is past question, and let's see how we can solve this question. And the question is coming from the quadratic equation. The root has been given, right? Now, and we asked to find the equation, which is quadratic equation. Here's question 13, WASSCE June 2023. And the question says find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2/3 and minus 4. Now, what is quadratic equation is all about? The process of solving the quadratic equation before you can solve this question, right? Let's proceed and solve it together. You have solution here. Right. Let y equal to 2/3 or minus 3/4. Right. Now we see that y equal to 2/3 here, as we said, right. Bring this 2/3 to the left hand side of this equality, right? It should now become a negative. That's why I have a negative here. And what is it going to remain at the right side of equality? Remains 0. That's why I have the 0 here. So the same thing applies to here, which is if y equal to minus 3/4, then when you bring it to the left hand side of equality, it should be equal to positive here, as we have plus 3/4. And what is it going to remain by the right hand side of equality? That is become 0, right? Now remember, if we have a, b that equals 0, then a will be equal to 0 or b will be equal to 0, right? So that thing to come to your mind here, the next step here, right? So now we have this line by this, so everything will be equal to 0, which is y minus 2/3, right, multiplying by into bracket y plus 3/4, right, and that will be equal to 0. Let's open the bracket now. Open the bracket. So we use this to open the bracket, which is I have y here, multiply the whole of this, right? The second one, I will pick 3/4, multiplying the whole of this, right? So we open the bracket, y times y will be equal to y squared, and y times minus 2/3 will be equal to 2/3y plus 3/4 times this y will become 3y/4, and 3/4 multiplying this 2 minus 2/3, it will be equal to this, right? And everything will be equal to 0, right? Now we see y squared, right, equal to 2y/3 plus 3y/4 equal to minus 1/2, right? And everything will be equal to 0. Now we'll see that we have 3 as denominator here, and 4 here, and 2, right? That 3 can goes in 12, 4 can goes in 12, 2 can goes in 12, right? We use that as the LCM of the three numbers, right? So we try to multiply through by 12. Why? Because the 12 is the LCM of the three numbers, right? So multiply through by 12, right? It will now be equal to this, equal to 12y squared minus 12 times 2, right, over 3y. The new equation will be equal to this, right? Now we see it here, we multiply this, that is 24/3y, and 12 times 3, that is 36, and 12 times 1, that is 12, right? Now we see that it should be equal to this, which is 24 divided by 3, that is 8, right? And we have 36 divided by 4, that is 9y. And 12 divided by 2, that is 6, right? Now we had this should be equal to y, right? Because 8 minus 8 plus 9 to give you 1, right? So we have the 1 here. So it should be equal to 12y squared plus y minus 6 equals 0. This is the quadratic equation. And if we check the options that we have here, the right option is option C. That is the answer. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.